Minimalism. The word often conjures images of stark white walls and empty shelves. Many see it as an extreme lifestyle devoid of joy and comfort. However, minimalism is far more nuanced and liberating than these stereotypes suggest. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and removing the rest. Minimalism is about intentionality. It's about making conscious choices about what we own, how we spend our time, and what we allow into our lives. This intentional approach can lead to surprising and profound benefits, extending far beyond a tidy home. It's about focusing on experiences over possessions, relationships over status, and personal growth over material wealth. In a world of constant consumption and distraction, minimalism offers a refreshing alternative, a path to a more intentional and fulfilling life. One of the most immediate and unexpected benefits of minimalism is a newfound sense of freedom. This freedom manifests in various aspects of our lives, transforming the way we interact with our surroundings and ourselves. By owning less, we naturally spend less time cleaning, organizing, and managing our possessions. The hours once spent on maintaining a cluttered home can now be redirected towards more fulfilling activities. This frees up valuable time for pursuing passions, connecting with loved ones, or simply enjoying moments of quiet contemplation. Imagine the joy of rediscovering hobbies that were once set aside due to lack of time or space. Financial freedom is another welcome byproduct of minimalism. When we choose to live with less, we also choose to spend less. This conscious decision to curb our consumerist impulses can have a profound impact on our financial health. By consciously curbing our consumerist impulses, we break free from the cycle of wanting and buying. This not only reduces the clutter in our homes, but also the clutter in our financial statements. This shift in mindset often leads to reduced debt, increased savings, and greater financial security. With fewer financial burdens, we can focus on what truly matters, such as experiences and relationships. Perhaps the most profound freedom minimalism offers is that of energy. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with stimuli, a minimalist lifestyle provides a sanctuary for our minds and bodies. A clutter-free environment promotes a clutter-free mind. When our surroundings are orderly, our thoughts can flow more freely, leading to increased productivity and creativity. Without the constant visual and mental stimulation of excess possessions, we experience reduced stress and increased mental clarity. This mental clarity allows us to be more present in our daily lives, enhancing our overall well-being. This newfound energy can then be channeled into creative pursuits, meaningful work, or simply enjoying the present moment with greater focus and appreciation. Minimalism, therefore, is not just about having less, it's about making room for more joy, more creativity, and more meaningful connections. Minimalism encourages us to reevaluate our values and priorities. By letting go of material attachments, we create space to appreciate the intangible aspects of life that truly matter: relationships, experiences, personal growth, and contributing to something larger than ourselves. This shift in perspective often leads to a deeper sense of gratitude. We begin to cherish the simple joys of life: a warm cup of tea, a meaningful conversation, a walk in nature. We find contentment in what we have, rather than constantly striving for more. This sense of gratitude becomes a powerful antidote to the dissatisfaction and anxiety often associated with consumerism. By appreciating the abundance that already exists in our lives, we break free from the relentless pursuit of more and find true contentment in the present moment. Section 4. Cultivating mindfulness, living in the present moment. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, constantly thinking about the future or dwelling on the past. However, living in the present moment is essential for our mental and emotional well-being. Minimalism and mindfulness go hand in hand. When we embrace minimalism, we strip away the unnecessary, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. This creates a fertile ground for mindfulness to flourish. By simplifying our surroundings and reducing distractions, we create space for greater awareness and presence. A clutter-free environment not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also has a profound impact on our mental clarity and emotional state. We become more attuned to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations, allowing us to experience life with greater depth and richness. This heightened awareness helps us to appreciate the small moments, the subtle joys that often go unnoticed in a cluttered, chaotic life. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature, are often easier to incorporate into a minimalist lifestyle. These practices help us to ground ourselves, to find a sense of peace and tranquility amidst the noise of everyday life. Without the constant clutter and noise of excess, we can more easily find moments of stillness and connect with our inner selves. This connection is vital for our overall well-being, helping us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. This increased mindfulness extends to all areas of life. It influences how we interact with others, how we approach our work, and even how we make decisions. We become more conscious consumers, making deliberate choices that align with our values. Instead of mindlessly accumulating possessions, we choose items that bring us joy and serve a purpose in our lives. We engage in meaningful conversations, truly listening and connecting with others. This deepens our relationships, fostering a sense of community and belonging. We approach our work with greater focus and intention, leading to increased productivity and fulfillment. A minimalist workspace reduces distractions, allowing us to concentrate on the task at hand and achieve our goals more efficiently. Ultimately, living in the present moment through mindfulness and minimalism enriches our lives. It allows us to savor each moment, to live with purpose and intention, and to find joy in the simplicity of everyday life. Section 5. Minimalism and mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of minimalism has gained significant traction. It's not just about owning fewer things, it's about creating space for what truly matters. The benefits of minimalism extend far beyond material possessions. Studies have shown a strong correlation between minimalism and improved mental health. When we declutter our physical spaces, we also declutter our minds. This can lead to a profound sense of clarity and focus. By reducing clutter and distractions, we create a calmer and more peaceful environment, both physically and mentally. This serene atmosphere allows us to concentrate better, making it easier to tackle daily tasks and challenges. This sense of calm can be particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with anxiety or depression. A minimalist space can act as a sanctuary, providing a safe haven from the chaos of the outside world. A clutter-free home can promote feelings of control and order, reducing feelings of overwhelm and stress. When everything has its place, it becomes easier to maintain a clean and organized environment, which in turn fosters a sense of accomplishment and well-being. The intentional nature of minimalism encourages self-reflection and personal growth, helping individuals identify and address underlying emotional issues. By focusing on what truly matters, we can better understand our values and priorities. Minimalism also encourages us to prioritize self-care. With fewer distractions, we can dedicate more time to activities that nurture our well-being. This might include taking long baths, practicing mindfulness, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a cup of tea. With more time and energy, we are more likely to engage in activities that nourish our minds and bodies, such as exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing creative endeavors. These activities not only improve our physical health, but also boost our mental and emotional well-being. These activities contribute to improved mood, reduced stress, and a greater sense of overall well-being. By embracing minimalism, we open up space in our lives for joy, creativity, and meaningful connections. In essence, minimalism is not just a lifestyle choice, it's a pathway to a more fulfilling and balanced life.